I mean, come on now, this is an amazing gift. If you want to give it to somebody, this is something that you would love. Each month you can get this through your door, and it's going to be a different country each month. So I'm uber excited for all of those who have signed up for the Wax+Wrap's African print subscription box. Subscribe to this channel, make sure to follow. I'm going to be doing videos and so forth to show you what you can make. We'll get on the sewing machine, you can come on with me, and we can be sewing together, all the crafty types, all the home sewers. I'm there with you on the machine, but make sure that you subscribe to the channel and subscribe to Wax+Wrap so that each month you can get one of our African print subscription boxes coming to your door.